In this problem, you've been told that flu shots model this equation here, and we know that the linear equation model that we use a lot is mx plus b, where m is the slope or the rate of change, and b is the y-intercept. As you've said, what is the best interpretation of the number 55 in the equation? Well, that must mean that is our slope or our rate of change. And so as we look at all of these choices, the number of people that received a flu shot each day, so per day, that would be a rate of change. All the rest of these answers are talking about total number. So those wouldn't be rates, those would be either y-intercepts or y values, p values along the way.